Who is the most feared regulation association in the world? Top prison selection makers see these companies as ambitious opponents they would as a substitute now not litigate against. Anderson Kill, Covington, Cravath, Dentons, Gibson Dunn, Houston Hennigan, Hush Blackwell, Jackson Walker is the regulation association and fits real. However, viewers forget about that it is fictional, and for this reason no longer totally actual to reality. The TV collection is centered around a pinnacle regulation firm, of whom hire younger genius Mike Ross. He impressed the company with his tremendous information of the law, notwithstanding no longer going to regulation school. What is the most elite regulation association in the world? Kirkland & Amp, Ellis, one of the world's most elite regulation firms, is acknowledged for its corporate, mental property, litigation, M&Amp, personal equity, and restructuring work. What is the very best paying massive regulation firm? Over the previous handful of years, the salaries of prison gurus have long passed up notably at top-paying firms. Law firm first-year salary, second-year salary. Allen & Amp, over Y $202,500, $205,000, $215,000. Cahill $205,000, $215,000. Clifford Chance $205,000, $215,000. Gibson Dunn $205,000, $215,000. What regulation association does Bill Gates use? K&Amp, L. Gates. Gates Sr., the attorney, philanthropist, and father of Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates. K&Amp, L. Gates. Headquarters K&Amp, L. Gates Center, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Revenue use $990 million. Date founded 1946 to 1883. Company type limited liability partnership, Albuquerque business lawyer. At the Turner Law Firm, LLC, we help commercial enterprise proprietors and entrepreneurs at each and every stage of a business's existence cycle. From the formation of a commercial enterprise entity via dispute decision and litigation to the business's divestiture and succession. Our association helps commercial enterprise proprietors in Albuquerque and at some stage in New Mexico navigate the market and the prison panorama in approaches that meet their desires and assist them function legally, profitably, and sustainably. Our felony group is right here to aid you with formation and protection of your commercial enterprise entity. Business litigation. We characterize consumers who are making an attempt to shield their rights when their commercial enterprise is concerned in litigation, whether or not as a plaintiff or as a defendant. We have helped purchasers litigate disputes involving a broad variety of issues, including shareholder agreements, partnership agreements, non-compete and confidentiality issues, business contracts, asset and inventory buy agreements. Contact our experienced Albuquerque business lawyers. To examine greater about the felony implications of your commercial enterprise decisions, we inspire you to timetable and preliminary consultation. Our crew will take the time to apprehend your commercial enterprise and its needs, then assist you decide the fantastic route of action. New Mexico real estate attorneys. At the Turner Law Firm, LLC, we have a well-developed actual property practice. We symbolize people and corporations in things involving real property transactions. We furnish thorough, educated illustration to consumers and agents in residential and industrial actual property transactions. Working with a skilled lawyer helps our purchasers decrease their threat and keep away from disputes that can be highly priced and cumbersome down the road. Real property litigation. We litigate things involving quiet title actions, foreclosures, boundary disputes, enforcement of easements, declaratory judgments, partitions, contracts, leases, and construction. In most cases, we assist our consumers pursue a collaborative path of motion designed to meet their dreams and inspire cooperation with all parties. When that is no longer in our clients' quality interests, however, we are organized to litigate aggressively on their behalf. Community associations. We regularly symbolize householders associations, residents associations, and different neighborhood associations in matters involving collections and litigation. We additionally assist these associations draft and assessment their organization